So, I had a live this morning, and we were talking about rainwater and plants, and how they want us to think that rainwater is bad for plants. So what we're going to do is a little experiment. This is my garden. I'm going to take this pencil right here, and we're going to mark this plant. Alright. Now what we're going to do is come out here tomorrow and check it again after all this bad acid rain. This bad acid rain. But look at my plants, man. They're coming up everywhere. But the rain's bad. I'm getting my phone wet.